Sibling conflict rule number 3. I'm going to share this with you. I train coaches. I'm Dr. Scott Taransky from the National Center for Biblical Parenting. If you're interested in personalized coaching, contact me. I'll get you in contact with one of my coaches, or you can visit biblicalparenting.coach. Rule number 3 is to divide the sibling conflict issues into 3 parts. There are root issues going on inside of children. They lack the life skills necessary. The 3 issues are anger, selfishness, and foolishness. Let's look at selfishness first, because that involves the I want to be first or best kinds of issues. This involves tattling. It's the idea that I want to put myself above other people. It's a competition, comparison. Anger is the emotion that children just don't have the ability, the patience, or the life skills necessary to manage the emotional challenges that conflict brings, and they need more skills and ability to do that. The third issue is foolishness. This is when you're teasing past the line. This is when you don't recognize the consequences of the action. So in each one of these, there's some very important solutions. Of course, the solution to selfishness is to practice unselfishness, or generosity, or giving, or being a servant. And so that's a very important one. The second one is anger management. Of course, the solution is not only self-control, that is to manage your anger, but also peace, to not get angry as often. We all need that in our life. So helping children to practice that in sibling conflict is such a great time to do it. And the third one, foolishness, of course, what we need is wisdom. Wisdom is the ability to see the consequences of our actions ahead of time and be able to apply them now. If you break it down that way, it makes it much more palatable to try to address it. It's still difficult as parents to address sibling conflict, but I'm trying to break it down so you understand it. So that's rule number 3. It'll help you as you're trying to work with children to address sibling conflict, which is their first class in relationship training.